Hi folks, Ben here with Pierre Driving School. Today, can I ask the DMV examiner to do the parallel parking over, right? Okay, reason I'm saying that here, there's a student that we took for the road test, and many students have done that also in the past while they're doing the road test with the DMV examiner, and they felt like their parking was to their liking, and they asked the examiner, can they do the parking again? You can ask the examiner whatever the question you wanted to ask the examiner. However, the examiner do not have to comply with your request. Let me say it slow. You can ask the examiner whatever question comes to mind as you take in your road test, right under the light here, your right shoulder. Right? However, the examiner don't have to comply with your request. What I mean by that, because you ask the examiner, can you do the parallel parking over, doesn't mean that the examiner have to say yes or will say yes. However, if the examiner wanted to give you a chance to do anything over again, he or she will ask you, can you, let's do it again, or give you the opportunity to do it again. Like I said again, you can ask, can you do it over? Perfectly fine, but do not feel hurt. Do not get your feeling hurt if the examiner, one, don't even say no, and two, don't even respond to that, because some examiner feel offended. They felt like you're taking control off of the road test, whereas they're supposed to be the person that taking over of the road test. You see I'm going with this, right? So always leave it up to the examiner to decide whether they're gonna let you do over a request. Let's say that the 3-point turn, the parallel parking, whatever the case may be. Let them be the judge that to tell you to do it over, or can you fix this, can you fix that? Remember, when you are taking the road test, you're there to just deliver on things that they're telling you to do. If something you don't understand, like I said again, you can always ask questions. This is America. You can ask questions all you want, but that doesn't mean that they have to grant your request, especially when it comes down to this road test here in New York City, right? The examiner wanted to be in charge, and they are in charge per se, because they are the one who's conducting the road test. However, if anything you felt like you done wrong, you wanted to see if you could do it again, you can ask the examiner to do it. Can you do it over? The response is up to them from there. But to my based on my experience, most of the time the result is a no. The response is a no. Reason why? Because they are moving a road test. Because can you imagine if everybody keep asking them to redo this over again, redo this over, so the road test will never done, and that would be unfair to those other people that are online waiting to do the road test just like you, right? What I've always tell students, try your best to prepare yourself. When you go for your road test, you do your best. That's all we can do, right? That's all we can do. Try your best to do your best, because in the end, it's all about delivery, right? If for any reason you felt something you could have done better, you didn't get a chance to do it again, right? Next time you will. You see what I'm saying? We're not looking for next time. Always go in with this type of personality. That's what I've always tell students. When you go for your road test, go with the attitude, I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna do my best that I can to pass the test. However, no matter what happen. When you go with the attention tense, I must pass the road test, that's when trouble kick in. That's when your expectations are so high, and you're not doing to things that you were expecting for yourself to do for yourself, then it becomes problem. We do not want that. Remember, road test, it's only 10 minutes. You got 10 minutes to prove them what you can do, who you are, and how you can get it done, all right? Do not go to argue with the DMV examiner. It's not gonna work in your favor, all right? Do not go to argue with the DMV examiner. It's not gonna work in your favor. They are conducting the test. Our job, you and I jobs are to go ahead and deliver, okay? All you have to do, yes, do it. Do what they tell you to do, right? So, if you guys have any question, if you guys have done your test before where you've done something and you ask the examiner to do it over and they'll let you do it, put in the comment below. I like to know. Maybe I'm not knowing all the answers to that situation, because I've done my road test a little while back ago, but to my experience of people that we've been taking to the road test, those are the answer that they've been getting when they ask the examiner, can they do certain thing over? Let me know in the comment below if your examiner, when you done your road test, if you already did, when you've done your road test, did the examiner allowing you to do something that you felt like you didn't do good at it? And guys, never underestimate yourself. Sometimes you probably think that you don't do something good, then you did it the right way. I've seen on numerous occasions people that thinking that, oh my God, I did horrible at the road test. When they get the result, they pass, right? Remember, it's not about driving. Driving is not enough. It's certain things that they want you to do to pass the test. Once you deliver those things, chances are you may pass your test without even knowing if you pass your test. All right? Do not let that panic in you. Do not let that get over your head and go having a bad day that day. No. Wait for the result. Oftentimes we take people to their road test, just like, Ben, let's go back to the office. I want to sign up for more lesson and everything. I don't think I passed. I said, why don't you just give it a break? Let's wait together, right? Because let's wait together. And sure enough, after that, guess what happened? Oh, Ben, you all right? I passed, okay? Wait, give it a try, because you never know. You probably think you didn't do good. You probably think you didn't do good and the result says otherwise, all right? Probably think you didn't do good and the result says otherwise. Always give it a think, give it a try, and give it a minute to get your result, all right, folks? If you're new here, my name is Ben. I'm with Pierre Driving School here. I'm one of the instructors at Pierre Driving School here. And this channel, we do everything about driving, okay? If you're new here, may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. If you want us to cover something for you in particular that you struggle with, a question that you have not yet get the answer that you like, put it in the comment below. We will answer you in a video form so we can bring lighting for any other people that may have the same question that been bothering you. Because if something is bothering you, chances are it may bother somebody else as well. So collectively, we all can come with a better solution. All right. I wanted to cover this video today because many students been having this misunderstanding, thinking that they can ask the DMV examiner to do over anything that they want, anything that they felt like they didn't do right at the test, doing their road test, and that really, sorry to say, that is not really how it goes. You know, you go for a test, you do your best, and you wait for your result. Nevertheless, share some of your experience with me. Maybe it's something that I'm missing that you guys are aware I'm not aware of. All right, folks. Once again, like, share, and subscribe. This has been here with Pierre. Driving School. Until then, keep practicing, folks. This girl here. Okay. Until then, keep practicing, folks. Take care now. Bye-bye. A left. And did I miss my turn? No. Yes, folks, we do that too while we're shooting those videos. All right. Take care, folks. Bye-bye. Ben here with Pierre Driving School.